What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Fam, last week I shared with the family a fantastic deal that Lowe's Home Improvement had on this fruit trees and vegetables and fruit bushes and the like, y'all. Oh yeah. So check it out, fam. I had to pick up a few things. Y'all. So this is the Florida Home Pear. That's the Florida Home Pear tree, fam. Oh yeah. Picked it up for about $14. Yep, $14. Gonna move right along to these few blueberry bushes, fam. Yep, I picked up a few blueberry bushes. They were about $4.50, less than $5 a piece, y'all. I did get a few of them. I also got a few Cavendish banana trees, which are not pictured here because they're in the ground, y'all. I got about 5 of those. They range less than $6. But fam, this is the star of the show, y'all. This is the star of the show. I bring to you the Fuyu persimmon. The Fuyu persimmon tree, fam. Oh yeah, check it out, fam. Fam, I picked this tree up for about $28. About $28. Oh yeah, that's the Fuyu persimmon. So still a lot of good deals to be had out there, y'all. There's still a lot of good deals to be had. Oh yeah. But fam, as you know, when I'm out in this garden, I must have a companion, y'all. I got to have a companion. So check it out, fam. That's the 3032 Tomcat, manufactured by Beretta, y'all. Oh yeah. It's chambered in 32 ACP. Oh yeah, fam. Makes for a nice concealed carry weapon, a nice backup pistol, or just a nice pocket rocket, y'all. That's the 3032 Tomcat, chambered in 32 ACP, manufactured by Beretta, fam. Oh yeah. Fam, I really appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.